Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmoud Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Reading Done. Okay, let's see the board. This is the class for the students of class 7. The subject is Bangladesh and Global Studies. Topic Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Reading Done. This is your lecture number 6. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 6 and this is your homework number 4. This is your homework number 4 and you will do 5 multiple choice questions from this lesson. Term half yearly teacher, my name Mahmoud Rahman and this is my contact number 01735 852285. Dear students, today I am going to discuss from your textbook, from this one, Bangladesh and Global Studies, and we will discuss on Chapter 2, page number 17, Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. Okay. Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh is the name of our today's chapter. Different kinds of people living in our country and their way of living, their food habits, their religion, their ways of clothing, everything makes diversity in the culture. So, let's start. There are some elements that are making diversity in the culture of Bangladesh. First of all, cultural diversity according to religion. Religion influences so much in the diversity of any culture, and likewise in our country, or in Bangladesh also, religion makes a very strong influence over the diversity of our country. Look at the board, I have made some points for you. Personal and social lives are influenced by religion. People were worshippers of natural powerful objects like sun, moon, wind, fire, etc. And that means in the ancient time, the people of our country were the worshippers of natural objects like sun, moon, the sky. They also worshipped trees and rivers and seas. Okay, with the introduction of Brahmana religion, with the old gods and goddesses, some new gods and goddesses are also came into being, and people began to worship them. Besides worshipping the natural objects, people started to worship gods and goddesses, and also there were devotional songs. Tantras and mantras existed. Okay, now see the next point. The Vedic book of religion and Vedanta hymns written in Sanskrit were new additions. Beside Brahmana religion, this Vedic book of religion was a new addition. In Hindu religion, we know that in Hindu, the believers of Hindu religion make idols and they decorate during their idols during their pujas. They also perform different kinds of devotional songs and dance. Dance is also included in the religious rituals of the Hindus. So all these activities makes cultural diversity in our country. Again, the Muslims mainly Muslims follow Islam, and mainly this Islam was preached by the Sufis who came to in our country from Turkey and Iran and different countries. The Muslims also celebrate different kinds of festivals. They have two big festivals in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Besides, people of our country, mainly who are divided into two community, Hindus and Muslims, they observe different kinds of folk activities. They observe, they perform different kind of folk songs like Jari, Shari, Batiali, Bhavaiya, and Nokshikata is also a part of our culture. In our country, the Christians and Buddhists also live, and they have also some different kinds of festivals. Like the Buddhists observe Buddha Purnima, and they are the followers of Gautam Buddha, and the Christians observe Christmas Day on 25th December. Besides, they also celebrate in the New Year festive and the New Year festive. So these are the four religions, the main four religions in our country: Buddhist, Christians, Hindus, and the Muslims have different kinds of festivals, and all these festivals and their religious beliefs and rituals makes diversity in our Bengali culture. Next point, we will see that cultural diversity according to language. Now, as besides these four communities, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, and Buddhist, there are different kinds of ethnic groups living in our country. They have their own language. Even some of them have their alphabets and alphabets also. There are different kinds of ethnic groups like Garo, Khashia, Manipuri, Sauntal, and Tonchonga. So they are living in our country, and their languages also making diversity in our culture. As they are living in the territory of our country, their languages, their alphabets are mixing with our community. They are exchanging their views and opinions each other. When two or more community people live together, they ultimately influenced by one another. Besides, different people of different countries came to our country, and when they stayed in our country for a long time, they also gave some words from their own language to in our language. Thus, our language is enriched by different languages like Sanskrit and Persian. Okay, so this variety also making diversity in our culture. The next point is cultural diversity according to ethnicity. As we as I have discussed in the previous point, that different ethnic peoples are living in our country, and their languages are different. So these different languages are influencing in the diversity of our country. Likewise, when the ethnic people are living in our country in a fewer number, but they have their own lifestyle, they have their food habits, they have their way of clothing. These also making diversity in the Bengali culture. And the last point is the diverse culture mixture makes Bangladeshi culture. That means when different people of different culture are living in a single country, they are influencing the others, and they are also influenced by the others. The ethnic people, the believers of different religions like Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, and Christians, they all are living together, and when they are living in a society, they are influencing each other. And thus all these influences, all their food habits, their cultures, their way of living, their manners, their beliefs, and all this combinedly making our Bangladeshi culture. So this is the main discussion from lesson 1, how the way of living, the religion, the language, the ethnicity, how making the diversity in the culture of our country. So dear students, I hope that you have understood well. For your better understanding, you should read your textbook very carefully, and if you get further problems or any question, you must contact with me. I have given given my contact number 01735852285, and watch this YouTube class and every YouTube class regularly, and attend the online classes. And you have homework here. I have written homework number 4, 5 MCQ, that is multiple choice question. You have to do 4 multiple choice questions, 5 multiple choice questions from this lesson, and you will submit it on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay, so take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.